On this 20th anniversary of the inscription of Darjeeling Himalayan Railway as a World Heritage Site, I am happy to be here. So this is the 20th year of World Heritage inscription, and as you are aware that back in 1998 this railway was lying shut down because it had landslides on several locations. All the trains, even Goom station, the roof had been blown off, and it was expected that it is going to be dead, there's no chance. But then the people of Darjeeling, the Indian Railways, the Northeast Frontier Railway, the Katihar division, they brought it back to life. And even before we brought it back to life in 1999, recognizing its most outstanding features, in December, 20 years ago exactly, on the 5th of December, it was given World Heritage inscription. And this became the first cultural World Heritage inscription in this part of the country, including its state and the area. As you are aware, the inscription says that this is the first example in the world, the first. And it also says it is still the most outstanding example in the world. So the Darjeeling Railway is the first and still most outstanding. And unfortunately for us and for everybody, the people and the railway, they are very intertwined with each other. It's a very symbiotic relationship, and this relationship has come about ever since the area of Darjeeling and the railway got established about 140 years ago. This is continuing, and that has also been made it possible to bring about this revival. After the World Heritage inscription, if you remember, we were here in Chaurasta. in November 2020, November 2000, when the railway was fully restored. Almost Herculean efforts were put in by the Indian Railways, and especially the Northeast Frontier Railway. And the set of engineers, which was considered impossible engineering, the entire track was restored up to Darjeeling.